Welcome to this video, where we'll guide you through how to use the keyword research feature in your TubeIQ account. In the left menu, navigate to Keyword Research. In the Keyword Research tab, simply enter a keyword that you would like to analyze. For example, try searching SEO search. Here, you'll see the search volume of the keyword, the competition score out of 100, the difficulty score, and the trend score. At the bottom, you'll find related keywords and related questions. You can also navigate to the Related Keywords tab. Here, you'll see a list of relevant keywords. You can sort keywords using pagination, or by entering a keyword here to find all keywords attached to that specific term. To save keywords, just click the star icon. When you favorite these keywords, they'll appear here in your favorites. The next tab is Questions. You'll find all the related questions here as well. Similarly, you can click the Action button to favorite a keyword. They'll all remain saved here, so even if you refresh the page or navigate elsewhere, your favorites or saved keywords will still be there. Thanks for watching.